Morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
I'm so tired. But did you see inside? If it is not too expensive to transform here. Because when you want me to make a demonstration, you want me to show how it works?
Yeah, yeah.
So we put the water here. The coffee is there already. And we wait. And you wait very, very, very long time. And that makes a thick, very thick coffee.
Maybe late evening.
Late evening it will be ready, yeah. Before that. And now we are in a coffee place just opposite to the railway station in Lao Cai.
Yeah.
And just 3 kilometers from the Chinese border, we will go there.
This way.
But we need first, it is to my right. And we need to have a coffee first to wake up.